Okay, so welcome back to our next video series. So from the last video series, um, uh, we were setting up the mission. So here we are. So this is the next screen where I want to give my password. So let's go and give some password. So this is literally your server. So I would better ask you to give a bit more complicated password. So here I'm giving a password which I want to use. All right. So once you give the password, and make sure that you don't forget your password. So you give a password which is a bit complex, but also you don't forget your password as well. So let's finish the installation, and I think we will now go and see an installed version of our server, which means here we are literally working on this STC. So we are done with our STC installation. We also have this two adapters. So my plan is to use a VMnet 0 for this network adapter and VMnet 2 for this adapter. So what I will be doing is, when I'm setting up this PC, I will be
Mm-hmm.
using V2 here for the adapter, and when I'm setting this server, I will use V0 here, and I will use, maybe just to avoid complexness, I will use V3 here, and I will use V3 here. So this is the plan which we
Okay.
have.
Can we use V1 or it is not
No,
allowed?
in our virtual in VMware, V1
Mm-hmm.
is a predefined uh, adapter,
Adapter.
so
Okay.
we
What
will go
about
for a
the
custom one.
what about the Oracle VirtualBox? Is V1 is allowed?
It will be slightly different. You don't have VM1 kind of thing. So let's go and while we are waiting for this machine to boot up. So if you're going to have um, new, so if in a Oracle box, it's again, you go to the machine, new, just give a name, and then select a folder, select your image, and then select which version of it. So here again, but Oracle VirtualBox has a Windows Server
It
2022,
supports Win.
so you can
Mhm.
select that, and then you can go next. So I think it won't be having VM VMnet 0, VMnet 1. It will be having a different one. It will say whether it is a host only, or it is a NAT, or it's a bridged
Bridged
kind of
one.
thing. So it doesn't have a custom one. So you can go and give um, the the local network, and then you can give multiple network adapters. I don't think it will be something similar to what we do it in VMware, but the concept is the same.
Okay.